Hello, welcome to this video. Today we're looking at Quizizz and their import from Google Forms feature. So if you've created a quiz in Google Forms, sometimes it's nice to vary it up for your students and not just use the same tool, i.e. Google Forms or Quizizz, to change it around a bit. So I've created this using AI Quiz Creator, and that allows you to use AI to help you create a quiz and then export it automatically to Google Forms. So if you're interested in looking out about that, then click in the banner in the top right hand corner and you can watch my video on using AI Quiz Creator. But today we're going to jump back to Google. So this is my Google form. We're going to jump into Quizizz. I do have a professional account, so I do pay for my subscription. So we click Create and we're going to choose Quiz. And then we're going to choose down from the import, we're going to choose Google Forms. It's going to want to link my account just so it can access that. So I'm happy for it to do that. Tick the box and click continue. And then it's going to want me to choose which one. So it's the photography introduction is the one I want. So I'll click that one and click select. And there we have it. So you can see it's automatically imported my questions in. It has identified correctly which is the right answer. And I'm ready to roll. So I can upload an image there. So I could find an image to upload just to finish it all off. I need to go in and just make sure I'm happy that it's got the right people. So this would be for my students. So I just need to choose the right level. So we'll put them as high school equivalent. So English is the right language, and then get the right thing, and then we're going to just find art in there. Arts, there we are, and we can add a cover image, or we can search for one. So let's search for one. So we'll do photo aperture. And click. There we are. So that's in there and save. I always like to add an image, just makes it easier for me to be familiar with that. And there we are. So if we go to publish and publish again, we can then have the choice to either start a live quiz or play it on paper mode. Again, if you want to know about paper mode, how you can use that when your students don't have access to a device, then click on the banner in the top right hand corner or the link in the description. You can see my guide on using paper mode. Likewise, same thing, I've done a video on assigning homework and the link is either in the top right hand corner or below this video. So let's just start a quiz. So we'll do start a live quiz. Actually, we'll just do a preview. So we'll jump in and do a preview. So do a preview. And we're going to have no timer, no powers up. And we'll start. And you can see there is your thing. It comes up straight away. And you're good to go. So we could keep going through it. So you've got all the features that you like within Quizizz. I'm purposely choosing some incorrect answers. You've got the idea. So we might as well just finish it off just for speed. The redemption question is an option that you can choose. You can set that within the settings. So there you have it. So we've done the quiz. You get the idea. So there you have it. A great way using the import from Google Forms. As I say, if you want to have help creating your Google Forms survey to start with, then do check out my video on using AI Quiz Creator. I'll keep a link in the description below. But anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you found the video useful, and join me again soon for more EdTech videos. Thanks for watching.